Hi guys, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I'm not in my car. This would be a very funny looking car for car chat, wouldn't it? I'm actually on my back porch. I'm working from home, so there was no need for me to be in my car today. And I don't really have a whole lot to talk about today. Things are going pretty well. I do have to tell you how much I'm loving the Big Twist Twinkle yarn. So Ginger turned me onto this yarn and I love it. It's so sparkly. She did this great cardigan using it and it's so Christmassy and fun. And even though Christmas is over, there's always time for sparkles, right? So also today my roots of my hair are showing really badly and I didn't feel like coloring them. So if you don't feel like coloring your roots, you can always just crochet yourself a headband, right? The funny thing is it's the color my hair is underneath. Black with sparkles of silver. So at any rate, I thought I'd make a little headband and I like it. And I got to use my new yarn. So I'm going to grab my yarn really quick and just show you the colors I got. And then I'm just going to close this up because, yeah, not a whole lot going on. Busy with work and I'm working from home, so it makes it even more busy. That's a good thing. Okay, hang on one second and I'll get my yarn. Okay, so here I am with my yarn. I love it though. It's so pretty and sparkly. I wish it were sunny out here because then you'd be able to see all of the really pretty sparkles in it. But in this light, they just don't show up that much. But that's okay. Yarn hookers. Got a little announcement with yarn hookers. This week we are going to be talking about holiday fatigue and what happens when you lose your Crojo. How do you get it back? Right? Oh, it's terrible when you lose your Crojo. So anyway, that is what we're talking about this week on Yarn Hookers. And that is going to be Saturday night at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope to see you there. It's so much fun. And we really look forward to seeing you. So there's that. And also, if you're on Facebook, come on over to the Yarn Hookers Facebook group and join in on our monthly challenge. This month's challenge is trying something new. So what you do is you try something new, as long as it's yarn related. It can be knitting, crocheting, weaving. Maybe you want to try a new technique or something you've never done before, like maybe you've never done a granny square, or maybe you've never made a hat or mittens or anything you've never done before, as long as it's your first time doing it. So you do whatever that is, you take a picture of it, you add it to the Facebook group post, and at the end of the month, we're going to pick one of those pictures randomly, and there's a prize. So come on over. If you do Facebook, that's great. We'd love to see you there too. If you don't do Facebook, I totally understand. No worries. Okay, I've got to get going. It's getting kind of cold out here actually, and I don't have any gloves on. So, maybe I can make some mittens. Make some mittens to match my headband. My very impromptu headband. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.